Welcome to this tutorial where we will show you how contracts work in Deepser. A contract is used to legally bind an agreement between two or more parties. It outlines the right and the obligation of each party involved. In here, we can find all of the contracts, see who they belong to, their status, and any other information that you'd like to be shown, such as the full amount or even the start and the expiration date. You can also filter by type, which, by the way, is also customizable. You can add a new type by going down to the system and then selecting the contract configuration, and then going to the type. In order to edit an existing type, simply click on the desired type and do the necessary edits. And to delete it, just click on the delete button over here. To create a new type, you have to click on the add type button. First, let's name the type. For example, let's name it utilities. Then we have to select the position, which the contract type will show under the contract folder. Let's, for example, make it to show the third. We have to enable the contract. You can also choose an icon for it by simply clicking on Choose File and selecting one from your PC. So let's choose one. And here are the groups that would have access to view it. So let's select all the groups to be available to view the contract. The increment prefix is the word or the number that the contract should start with. So for example, we would want the contract number to start with util. And the increment suffix is the number or the word again that the contract should end with. For example, let's end it with the year that we're currently in. The increment padding character is the gap between characters in the contract number. So let's select it to be 0. And the increment padding length is the amount of numbers that should be generated. So for example, let's have it 5. And here you can set the ID for the increment. For example, let's set it to be 20. Here you can write any simple description for the type of the contract. For example, let's write utilities contract. After we're done with the edits, we can save the changes, and we can do so by clicking on the Save button over here. And here we can see our new utilities type created. In the contract configuration, we can also create custom contract lines by going to the line type. To edit a line, simply click on the desired line and do the edits. And in order to delete it, click on the delete button over here. To create a new line, click on the add line type over here and fill out the necessary fields. So the name of the line, so let it be, for example, line 3. The position that the line would appear, let's make it to appear the first one. And the status, so we have to enable it. We can also choose an icon, and we have to choose the groups that would be able to use this contract line. And we could also write a short description if we want to. After we're done, we have to save the changes.